Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Focus. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. It's also crucial to let the engine cool down for at least 30 minutes before you begin, preventing burns from hot oil or engine components. Now, let's drain the old oil. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the oil pan's drain plug. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the used oil completely empty into the pan. Once drained, clean the area, then reinsert the drain plug with a fresh washer, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 25 foot-pounds. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Find the old filter, usually near the engine block, and place a small catch pan below it. Unscrew the old filter, letting any remaining oil drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, it's time to add fresh oil. Refer to your Ford Focus owner's manual for the precise oil type and capacity, which is often around 4 1/2 quarts of 5W20 synthetic blend. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. After filling, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.